Question 1 is, which blood type is considered as the universal red blood cell donor? Option A, O negative, and this is right answer here. O negative is known as universal donor, and you know that AB positive is known as universal acceptor. Okay, universal donor means this person which is having O negative can donate blood to anyone, any people, because it doesn't have antigen in its blood. That's why it doesn't take any reaction to any type of blood. That's why it is known as universal donor. But AB positive blood group, it does not have A and B antibodies in this blood. Okay, so that this person which is having A positive, he cannot give the blood to anyone but only AB positive people. Okay, so it is known as universal acceptor, but it can accept blood from anyone, from O negative, O positive, A, B, any blood it can be accept, but cannot donate. Okay, so O negative is universal donor and AB positive is the universal acceptor. Okay, so option is right answer here. Question 2 is, cholera is transmitted by? Yes, it is transmitted by consuming contaminated food or water. Okay, mosquito bite, by mosquito bite you can have dengue, okay, and malaria and chikungunya. These are some diseases which can be caused by mosquito bite. By direct contact there is HIV, hepatitis B. These are the some hepatitis B, and flu, cold and cough, they are also can be spread by direct contact. Okay, and the tacitaceous fly, this fly cause sleeping sickness. This is the disease which cause sleeping sickness, and in scientific name of this disease is trypanosomiasis. Trypanosomiasis. Okay, this is the name of the disease in scientific way. Normally we say it's sleeping sickness by tacitaceous fly. Okay, but right answer for cholera is option B only. Next option is, which among the given bone of the skull protect the brain at the back of the head, at the back side of the head? Let me show you the diagram of skull. This is the diagram of skull, and they are showing many type of bone of the skull. You can see that first one is lacrimal bone. Lacrimal bone you can find here. Okay, in both the eyes below the tear glands. Okay, there is lacrimal bone. And frontal bone, this is called frontal bone. This is the single forehead bone, that is called frontal bone. Temporal bone, this is, you can see orange part, this is temporal bone. Okay, on the both side of the ear. Occipital bone is the bone which is the asking in the question that it protect brain from the back of the head. This green part is the occipital bone which protect your head. So option D is right answer here. Next is, to check the level of harmful gases emitted by the vehicles, all vehicles in India which are in use need to obtain emission check certificate. What is this certificate known as? This certificate is known as pollution under control. Okay, option C is right answer here. Next is, which among the following is our biennial plants? Biennial plants. You know what is biennial plants? The plants which can grow from seed to fruit in 2 years. They take 2 years. These are known as biennial plants. Some plants are perennial plants. Perennial plants are the plants which can grow from seed to fruit in 1 year. Okay, that is known as perennial plant. Option A, bamboo. Bamboo is perennial plant. Cabbage is right answer here because it is a biennial plant. Rice is perennial plant. So all of these is not answer because option B is right answer here. Next is, which of the following animal breathe through its moist skin? You know that animal can breathe through lungs, through gills, through skin. Okay, here they are asking about moist skin. Let's check. A, fish. Fish breathe through gills. Whale breathe through blowholes, which are present on the head of the whale. Okay, actually whale is a mammal, so that whale have lungs. So for breathing, whale come on the surface and they can exhale through the holes and also inhales through these blowholes. Okay, then they go down, then again they come up for breathing. Okay, lizard is a land animal. They breathe through lungs. And earthworm is right answer here. They breathe through moist skin. Okay, option D is right answer here. Next is, which among the following is the source of carmine pigment that is used for dyeing textiles, coloring food and cosmetics? Right answer here is option A. Cochineal insect is having carmine pigment. Okay, ladybird beetle is used for reducing pest control. Do you know why? How? They help farmers by eating pests so that pests can be reduced or controlled. Oyster is used for maximum in the food because it has so many type of minerals and vitamins. It is very good for the people. And snail, we use snail shell actually in decorative objects. So here for carmine pigment or pigments in food and cosmetics, the insect uses cochineal insect. Okay, option A is right answer here. Next, the process of seed dispersal by ant is called. Seed dispersal, if you studied about this chapter, you have noticed that seed can be dispersed by wind, by water, by birds, by animals, by humans. Okay, so different type of things which can disperse the seed have different type of terminology. Okay, like option A, hydrochory. Hydro is related to the water, so hydrochory means the seed dispersal by water is known as hydrochory. Anemochory, this is the seed dispersal by wind, that is known as anemochory. And myrmecory, this is the actual answer here, seed dispersal by ants. And ornithochory, ornitho is related to, yes, birds. So ornithochory means the seed dispersal by birds, that is called ornithochory. But right answer for ant dispersal is option C. Next question is, Mesopotamian civilization was one of the eldest civilization, grew along the bank of two rivers. Okay, what are the name of these two rivers? These two river name is Tigris and Euphrates. Okay, option is right answer here. Indus and Jhelum river civilization was Harappan civilization. Okay, Nile and Blue Nile, that was the Egypt or Nubian civilization was developed here, or Nubian. And for Indus, again it is Harappan and civilization for Indus and Kabul. But right answer for Mesopotamian civilization, that is option A. Next is, which of the following is an important Byzantine structure in Istanbul that contain minarets and inscription of Islam as well as lavish mosaic of Christianity? That is Hagia Sophia. Option A is right answer here. Okay. Option B, the Parthenon. This is the temple actually. This is a famous temple of Athena. Okay. Temple of Athena. And C is the Louvre. The Louvre is the art museum in France. This is the art museum in France. If you are studied about the French, then on the French book, on the first page, you can see the picture of the Louvre. Okay, most famous museum of France. D is Himeji Castle. Himeji Castle is the largest and most visited castle in Japan. Okay. But for Istanbul, that is Hagia Sophia. Option is right answer here. Next is Hamad International Airport is in, that is in Qatar. Option B is right answer here. In Egypt, the international airport is known as Cairo International Airport. United Arab Emirates, UAE, here the famous or most famous international airport is Dubai International Airport. In Saudi Arabia, The most famous international airport is King Abdulaziz International Airport. But for Hamad is Qatar, right answer. Next is the person shown in the picture is an American entrepreneur and investor. He is the founder of the executive chairman of e-commerce giant Amazon. Identify. This man is Jeff Bezos. Option B is right answer here. If you want to see the Bill Gates picture, this is the Bill Gates. And for Elon Musk, this is the picture of Elon Musk. And next is Mark Zuckerberg. This is the picture of Mark Zuckerberg. Okay. But for this picture, right answer is Jeff Bezos. Option B is right answer here. Next is which of the following simple machine is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder? That machine is screw. Okay. Option A is right answer here. For lever is the machine which you can pull and push. You have seen the lever in the cars. Okay, you can pull and push forward or backward. Pulley is the machine that is on the wheel, axle on the wheel actually. This is known as pulley. Okay, they both side you can see their weight. And wheel and axle, this is also a machine. This is the machine where wheel is rigidly attached with a cylinder, or this is known as axle. Okay, like this type of machine, you can see that this is wheel and axle. Okay, but right answer here is screw. Option is right answer only. Next is which of the following is an example of gas in liquid type of solution? Gas in liquid, that is our soft drink. Option is right answer here. Coca-Cola, Fanta, Pepsi. I think you have seen all these type of drinks. These are known as gas in liquid. You can feel that gas when you drink it, and when you open the bottle, seal bottle, you also can see the bubbles comes out of gas. This is carbon dioxide gas. Option B, coffee. Coffee is the solid in liquid. Have you seen the coffee beans? They are solid, or coffee powder is also solid. But in liquid like milk or water, we can make the solution. In vinegar is the solution liquid plus liquid. Okay, liquid carbolic acid is made up of vinegar is made up of actually carbolic acid. Carbolic acid is liquid, and yes, water is also liquid. Butter is also the solution liquid plus liquid, but it look like solid. Okay, but this is the mixture of two liquids. Okay, for right answer for gas and liquid is option A only. Next question is the atmosphere of Saturn is mainly composed of. Atmosphere of Saturn is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. And same for Jupiter. Jupiter atmosphere is also same. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. Okay. Other options like methane. Methane is you can found on the planet that is Uranus and Neptune. You can found the methane, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. And nitrogen you can found on the moons of planet. Okay. These are the moons of Saturn and Neptune's. You can found nitrogen. And oxygen you can found on the earth. We can find oxygen. And carbon dioxide can be found on the Venus and Mars. Okay, Venus and Mars. So, but right answer for Saturn is hydrogen and helium. Option B is right answer here. Next is which of the following vitamin is also known as retinol? Retinol, that is vitamin A, which is known as retinol. Vitamin B3 is known as niacin. Niacinamide, you can hear that term. Okay, but that is known as niacin. Vitamin E is known as tocopherol. Okay, and vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Okay, so right answer for retinol is vitamin A. Next question is which of the following rock minerals is used to make pencil lead? To make pencil lead, we use graphite. Option C is right answer here. Silica is used for making glass. Granite is used for making countertops or floor. Okay, or kitchen shelves are also made up of granite. Limestone is always used in constructions. Okay. But right answer for our question is pencil lead is made up of graphite. Option C is right answer here. Next is, which of the following is an omnivorous? Do you know that what is omnivores? Yes, you already studied that in the 4th class. Okay, I think also in 3rd class also. Omnivores are the animals which can eat plant and animal both. Plant plus meat, flesh or animal you can say. Both can eat by omnivores. Horse is a herbivorous because it eat only grass. Okay, the animal which only eat grass, these are known as herbivorous. Fruit bat is also herbivorous because it eat only fruit, or sometimes they suck the nectar from the flower also. Okay, option C is human, and human is right answer here because humans are omnivores. They eat plant and animal both. Option D, leopard. Leopard is a carnivorous animal. Okay, carnivores are the animal, they eat only flesh or animals. Okay, but right answer for omnivore is option C, human. Next is the place on the earth crust directly above the point of origin of the earthquake is called. That is called epicenter. Option B is right answer here. Focus is the point that is just below inside the earth on the epicenter. Okay, earthquake start from this point. Okay, and feel the earthquake on the earth surface at this point, and center is made up of focus plus epicenter, together known as center of the earthquake. Okay, epicenter plus center. And crater. Crater is a hole on the mountain. On the mountain there is a hole, okay, in oval shape or in round shape, through which hot liquid and gases eject in the process of volcanoes and some other things also. So these holes are known as crater. But right answer for our question is the earth crust directly above the point of origin. Origin point is focus, but above the origin point is known as epicenter. Option B is right answer here. Next is, from which language does the word clinch come? Do you know what is the meaning of clinch? Clinch meaning is, that is an idea that has been repeated or used many times. That is known as clinch. In French we use this word clinch. In Chinese, if you are repeating the idea, what we say? We say yang, di, tai, dio, li. Okay, this is we say in the Chinese. In Japanese we say motenai. Okay, and in Spanish we say una idea, which is repeated idea or idea used it many times. Okay, so right answer for clinch is French. Option A is right answer here. Next is, if someone is walking on air, it means that she is feeling very happy or excited. Option C is right answer here. If option A here, walking very fast, it means the person is in hurrying. Okay, very hurry. Performing a magic trick, it means that is an illusionist. Okay, which is creating illusion. Learning a new skill, that means knowledge. You are acquiring a knowledge in a particular field. That is the learning a new skill. But for walking on air, option C is right answer here. Question 22 is, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Who said this? This is said by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay, option A is right answer here. Steve Jobs famous quote is, stay hungry, stay foolish. Yes, this is Steve Jobs famous quote. Okay, stay foolish. And John F. Kennedy, its famous quote is, a strategy of peace. A strategy of peace. Okay, and Abraham Lincoln famous quote is, truth is generally the best vindication against slander. This is the famous quote from the Abraham Lincoln. But for right answer, our question is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Option A is right answer here. Next question is, the classical Manipuri dance feature unique costume. The female dancer wear a long skirt studded with mirrors and embroidery work. What it is called? It is called kumin. Option A is right answer here. Choli, ghagra and dhoti, these are the costume used in Garba. Okay, Garba in Gujarat, where the women wear choli and ghagra and men's wear dhoti in the Garba dance. And sometime in Rajasthan also the dress of the women is known as choli ghagra and the men's dress is known as dhoti kurta. Okay, but for kumin, Manipuri is the right answer. Next question is, the instrument shown in the given picture belong to which category of musical instrument? This instrument which is shown in the given picture is known as oboe, and this is the category is woodwind. Actually, instrument belongs to 5 categories. Okay, 4 are given here and 5th one is percussion. Okay, and example of percussion is xylophone type of instruments. Okay, these are known as percussion instrument. Okay, thing or a rod on the metal surface or pipes, that is these type of instruments. Brass instrument is like drum. Okay, string instrument like guitar, and woodwind is the example of here, right answer. Keyboard like piano, these are the instrument. Okay, so right answer for our question is woodwind. Oboe is the right answer here. Next is, which among the following hosts the US Open tournament? That is option B. USTA Billie Jean King National Tennis Center hold US Open. Okay, and Ronald Garros Stadium, they host French Open. Okay, tournament. And Indian Wells Tennis Garden, they host BNP, that is Parabis Open. Okay, Paribas Open tournament. Okay, or you can say that BNP. Dodger Stadium, they actually host Saucer League. Okay, Saucer tournament. But right answer for US Open is option B. Next is, which award is given to the best player of FIFA World Cup? For best player, they go the Golden Ball Award. Golden Boot Award is given for the, yes, this is for best goalkeeper. Okay, top goal scorer is the having the Golden Boot Award. Okay, this answer or this question I have already explained into sports chapter. Okay, the Golden Glove Award, that is given to the, yes, best goalkeeper. But for right answer, best player is option A only. Next question is, find the missing character if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. You can see that this is a question here. Here is the relation between the row or column, but I think there is a relation between the rows only. Okay, in this there is the relation. Let's see. Before this, we have to write the A to Z alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So here, A is 1 numbered, B 2, 3, C 3, D 4, E 5, F 6, G 7, H 8, and so on. Okay, this is the number of alphabet, and here D is number 4 alphabet, and L is the number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. L is the number 12 alphabet, and 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So here is the number of alphabet, and they both number are adding, then we get result here. Like this, K is the 11 number alphabet, and M is the 13 number alphabet, and 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. Right answer here. Like this, H is the 8 number alphabet and here answer is 30. It means if this we get from the 30 minus 8. 30 minus 8 is 22 and 22 number is V. V is the 22 number alphabet. So right answer here is V. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, a number lies between 30 and 50. It is also a common multiple of 6 and 8. When it is added to 45, the result is. You can see we already discussed this question in a chapter. Let's discuss it again. 30 to 50, we have to check multiples, common multiples. If I'm talking about 6 multiple, then 36, 42 and 48. 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42 and 6 8 is 48. For 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40 and 8 6s are 48. Okay, here 48 is the common multiple. So common multiple of 6 and 8 is 48. When we add it to 45, this multiple we add it to 45, then what we get? We get the result 8 5 13 carrying 1 93 is the right answer here. Next is, which of the following statement is the correct about GPS? GPS is the location system. Okay, you get this GPS in your phone, mobile phones. Let's see the statement. It is the only local navigation satellite system. No, this is not only local. It is the international navigation satellite system. It uses satellite to pinpoint location. This is absolutely right. It uses satellite for the pinpoint location. Okay, GPS work with the satellite. Option 3, it works during the day or time only. Wrong. It works 24 hours of the day. Okay, not for the day only. So only B statement is the right answer here. Next question is, which of the following is a toner based printer? Toner based printer. That is the laser printer, which is the toner based printer. Okay, dot matrix printer, that is impact printer. Actually, that is known as impact printer. Actually, it release or transfer ink into dot pattern. Okay, that's why it is known as dot matrix printer. And inkjet printer, actually they spray tiny droplets, so that it is known as inkjet printer. Okay, and daisy wheel printer, it works on the daisy wheel. Okay, but for right answer for toner printer is the option C only. Next question is, which Indian cricketer has received the Arjuna Award in January 2024 for his outstanding performance in sports? That is Mohammad Sami. Option A is right answer here. Okay. Option B, Hardik Pandya. He received Arjuna Award in 2019. Jasprit Bumrah also received this award. But Rishabh Pant never received this award. Okay. So right answer here for 2024 is option A. Next question is, the exercise cyclone conducted from 22 January to 1st February 2024 was the second edition of Joint Special Forces exercise. Okay, it is conducted between the armies of India and Egypt. Option C is right answer here. Next question is, who among the following has won the women's single title of an Indian Open 2024? In 2024, Tai Tu Ying is won this title. Okay, and Chen Yufi, she won the title in 2025. And Ashwini Ponappa never received this title, and Gayatri Gopichand also never received this title. Actually, they have won many awards, both of them, but they never received the women's single title. Actually, Gayatri Gopichand always plays in the doubles. Okay, so how she can get the women's single title? Okay, right answer for 2024 women's single title is option A. Next is, India's first digital national museum of epigraphy is housed in. That is housed in, yes, New Delhi. That is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. That is housed in India's first digital national museum of epigraphy is housed in. That is housed in, yes, New Delhi. That is housed in 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 New Delhi. That is hous That is very easy answer. We already discussed in your book. That is option A, Salar Jung Museum of Hyderabad. Option A is right answer here. Okay. Option B is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, Mumbai. This Sangrahalaya is also known as Prince of Wales Museum in Western India. Okay. Prince of Wales Museum. And third one is the Dakshin Chitra Museum, Chennai. This museum actually show the art and architecture, craft and lifestyle of South Indian people. Okay. And National Museum, Delhi. And this is the in this museum there is a vast collection of prehistoric time and modern India collection. Okay. But right answer for first digital national museum is the Salar Jung Museum. Option is right answer here. Next is the New Delhi World Book Fair is a major calendar event in the publishing world, organized every year by National Book Trust. What was the theme of New Delhi World Book Fair 2024? Option A, that is book for reader with special needs. This was the theme in 2019. Option B, Cultural Heritage of India. This was theme in the 2016. And option C, Manushi, book written on and by woman. That was the theme in 2017. But for 2024, the theme is option D, Multilingual India, a living tradition. Option D is right answer here. Next is, who is the current Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Current Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Devendra Fadnavis. Here you can see the right answer in your books is option A, Eknath Shinde. But for last year in 2024, the right answer was Eknath Shinde. But for this year, for 2025, the right answer is the Devendra, because he started his this chief minister career is and on 5 December 2024, and this paper was published before that. That's why the answer was A, but now the answer is C. Okay, actually Devendra was already chief minister in 2014 to 2019 also of Maharashtra. Now he again is chief minister of Maharashtra. Okay, so option C is right answer for 2025 year. Next is, India ranked dash in the Global Human Development Index 2023 to 24. That was 134th rank. If we are talking about 2024 or 2025, then the rank is now 130th. Okay, so the current rank is 130th, but according to 2023 or 4, that was 134th. Option B was right answer. Next is, National Science Day is observed every year on 28th February. Option A is right answer. These are the days which we do not celebrate, but 23 March is celebrated as Shaheed Divas. Shaheed Divas or Martyrs Day. Okay. But right answer for Science Day is option A only. Next is, which of the following is the mascot of 2024 Paris Olympics? For 2024 Paris Olympics, mascot was, yes, it was the fridges. Option B was right answer here, that they were in a red and white color. Okay. Option A, Bing Duen Wen, that was the mascot in 2022. Mirai Tova and Someti, they were the mascot in 2020. And So Rang, this is the mascot in 2018. But for 24, right answer is the fridges. Next question is, who among the following has been appointed as the chairperson of Central Board of Secondary Education in March 2024? That was Rahul Singh, chairperson of CBSE. Previous chairperson was Nidhi Chibbar. That was previous. Before Rahul, it was Nidhi Chibbar. And Ashok Ganguly is the chairman of CBSE. Is not chairperson but chairman of CBSE. Okay. So option B for chairperson, right answer here. Next is, which of the following behaviors shows good sportsmanship? These questions are from the life skill. Okay. Option A, making fun of your opponents. Wrong. Ignoring the rules to win the game. Wrong. Celebrating your victory graciously. This is right answer. Option C is right answer here. Next is a compassionate person. Option A is shows indifference towards the suffering of others. No, very wrong. Express sympathy and always shows respect and dignity towards others. This is absolutely correct. This is the quality of compassionate person actually. Option C, ridicules the need of others. Wrong. Priorities his personal interest. Very wrong. Option B is right answer here. Question 43. What should you do if you do not like the dish that is being passed to you on the dining table? What should you do? A, loudly say that you do not like that. Wrong thing. Ignore this dish. Very wrong. Say no thank you and pass the dish forward. This is the correct way. That you politely say no thank you and you pass the dish forward. Option D, take the dish and leave it on your plate untouched. This is very wrong thing. We should not waste food. Okay. So option C is right answer here. Next is, how should we resolve conflicts in the friendship? How should we resolve? Option A, by communicating openly and finding the solution together. Absolutely right. This is the only method when we resolve the conflicts in friendship, in friends, in family, everywhere. Option B, by blaming each other. No, we can't blame each other. By ignoring. Ignorance is the most worst method. By threatening each other. This is very much wrong thing. Right answer here is only A. Next is, which is an important quality of healthy relationship? That is mutual respect. Right answer here. Communication gap always make differences. Okay. Bullying and criticizing. This is also very wrong thing. B is the right answer here. Next is, which of the following is are correctly matched? International Day of Peace, 21 September, right. International Literacy Day, November 8. No, this is on September 28, not November. This is not correctly matched. Okay. This is not correctly matched. World Water Day, March 22, right. International Day of Democracy, September 15, right. So, only 2. B is which of the following is are correctly matched? We have to check correctly matched. The 1, 3 and 4 are correctly matched. It means option C is right answer here. Next question is, which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? Let's check our options first. An igneous rock that is widely used to make kitchen counter. Yes, the rock name is, the answer is granite here. Okay. And a non-renewable resource that is mainly used in power of plants to make electricity, that is coal. Okay. It is one of the most common mineral found in earth crust and is used to make glass, that is quartz. Okay. Most common mineral on the earth. Let's check what we can found. Coal is here and granite is here and quartz is here. So we found all the options. So none of these which we cannot found. Option D is right answer here. Next is, select the correct statement. Option A, and in Olympic archery, archers shoot up to distance of 70 meters, right. Option B, butterfly stroke is not used in individual medley swimming event at the Olympic. This is wrong. It is used. Okay. Not used is the wrong answer. Wrong statement. Pommel horse is a rhythmic gymnastic. No, it is a artistic gymnastic used by mainly males. The duration of standard round in the Olympic boxing is 3 minutes, not 2 minutes. And there's after each round there's 1 minute break also you can found. So right statement is only option A. Next is, the given line graph shows the number of manage eaten by Navya during 4 weeks. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. So let's study the graph. In first week, Navya ate 8. This is not 8 actually. This is, I think, this is 8. This is 8. Okay. And here, can you check this? Let me see. and this part is 12. This is 12, this is 14, this is 8, and this part, let's check this part. I think this part is middle in the 8 and 6. This is 7 actually. Okay, so how many more mangoes were eaten by Navya in week 2nd and 4th together than first week? In 2nd week she ate 14, in 4th week she ate 12, that is 26 she ate, but in first week she ate -8 because 8 she has eaten, so it means 18 is the right answer for first question. Okay, find the fraction of number of mangoes eaten by Navya in 3rd week. 3rd week का fractions निकालना है 4 from the total numbers. Total numbers are 14 plus 8, that is 22, 22 plus 12, that is 34, 34 plus 7 is 41. So total number is 41. In 3rd week she ate 7. So 7 by 41 is the right answer for second question. So here in option B we have both the answer. Option B is right answer here. Next is, which of the following option fall under the biometric recognition system? One is iris recognition. Yes, we can found. Face recognition, yes, comes, and DNA also. So DNA matching, iris and face recognition, they all three come into the biometric recognition system. So option D is right answer here. So kids, here we practice the last year paper. Okay, repeat this video, learn all the questions and their options also. Options are as important as the questions answer. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KBS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.